Here we have a 1969 Dodge Superbee. Yes, this is a real Superbee. This is not a clone. This car just came into us on trade, just the way you see it, from a somewhat local Mopar collector here. He traded it in on a Challenger RT that we had. I know he's had several B and E body cars and likes to play with them as much as we do. So he had this one for a few years and wanted to get something else to play with. So as you can see, very sharp car, good body lines, very nice paint. This car, it is presented in the way it was born. So the yellow with the black top, black stripe, that is the way this car came when she was new. So it has always been this color, and obviously it's got the vintage aftermarket chrome wheels on there as well. Very solid car around the outside and underneath. No rust issues that we've seen. We'll get a look at the interior here. See, everything's nice and tidy. This bottom of the doors and everything. Now, as you're going through this, you'll be able to see, keep in mind, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. See, the dash is in good shape there as well. Odometer reads 93,000, believed to be actual miles on this car. It is powered by a 383 V8 with power steering, power brakes. And it's an awesome driving car. The car runs and drives excellent. We'll go ahead and get it fired up here for you so you can hear that. Good sound. Even the clock is working in this car. As you can see the needle moving there, hopefully. And then all the other gauges are working as well. You can see it does have an aftermarket radio. All right, let's take a listen here real quick. It's got a nice sound, but nothing obnoxious. Perfect muscle car sound. Let's sneak up front and take a look under the hood here quick. Again, look at the body lines. Look at the reflection in the paint. Very nice car. All right, here we are under the hood. Look at that, as I mentioned. Does have power steering. Fender tag is still there, intact the way it should be. So again, you can see all the pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trades are always considered, and financing is available on this Mopar as well.